POCT, point-of-care testing, is a medical test that is small, easy to use, and provides timely results.
HGTECH develops in vitro diagnostic POCT quick test cards marking system for the medical industry. Marking speed of 1 piece per second, double-track high-speed marking, accurate positioning, perfect to replace traditional ink coding, non-contact processing, visual recognition inspection system to ensure product yield. POCT quick test cards can be used for epidemic rapid screening and control, hospital flu detection or blood glucose testing, and so on.